Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making the exact repository GitHub uses for a personal site. Name it username. GitHub, EO, and make it public. Once done, initialize with a README to get a default branch quickly. You do this because Pages serves directly from that repo name. Creating it now avoids branch confusion. Make sure you sign in and confirm your email so Pages activation works without delays. After the repo exists, you're ready to add your first site file index, HTML, so the site has content immediately. Next, you add the actual site content. Locally, clone the repository, create an index, HTML or a Jekyll structure with config, iml and commit your files, then push to the main branch because username. GitHub, EO serves from that branch. If you prefer the browser, use GitHub's web editor to add or edit files directly. Commits there are valid too. Once those files are pushed, go to the repository settings and open the Pages section so you can confirm the source and see the published site URL while the build runs. Finally, you publish by selecting main branch as the Pages source and saving. GitHub begins a build and shows the published URL. Wait a few minutes and then visit https://username. GitHub, EO to verify content. If it doesn't appear, first clear your browser cache and try a hard reload. Check that the repository name matches username. GitHub, EO, that index. HTML exists at the root, and that any CNAME or DNS records are correct. If you still see errors, inspect build logs in the Pages section for detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.